Hey there, digital pioneers and curious minds. Today, we're exploring a topic that's been buzzing around the tech community and beyond, the token economy, and how it's set to revolutionize the way we interact with the internet through Web3. So, grab your headphones, get comfy, and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Our guide for today's exploration is the insightful book, Token Economy: How the Web3 Reinvents the Internet by Shermin Voshmgir. This book is a treasure trove of knowledge, breaking down complex concepts into digestible insights about blockchain networks, distributed ledgers, and the transformative power of tokens. So, what exactly is the token economy? Imagine a world where the internet isn't just a place to share information, but a vibrant ecosystem where value is exchanged seamlessly, much like the digital version of a bustling marketplace. This is the promise of Web3, and at the heart of this revolution are tokens. Tokens are the atomic units of Web3, representing anything from a store of value to a set of permissions in the physical, digital, or legal world. But why are tokens so revolutionary? Well, for starters, they democratize access to value creation. Traditionally, creating and managing digital assets required significant resources and centralized control. With Web3, anyone can issue a token with just a few lines of code, thanks to smart contracts. This opens up a world of possibilities for new business models, asset classes, and ways of collaborating across markets and jurisdictions. Let's break down some key concepts. First up, we have tokenized networks. These are the backbone of Web3, where tokens are used to manage and secure the network. Think of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other blockchain networks. These networks are often referred to as stateful because they maintain a universal state layer, allowing for true peer-to-peer transactions without intermediaries. Next, we have smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. They automate processes, reduce the need for intermediaries, and can even resolve the principal-agent dilemma by providing more transparency and accountability. Imagine a world where your car pays for its own parking or your fridge orders groceries when you're running low. That's the power of smart contracts. Now, let's talk about Decentralized Autonomous Organizations, or DAO. These are organizations governed by smart contracts and run on a blockchain network. They operate without a central authority, with decisions made collectively by the network participants. DAO have the potential to transform traditional governance structures, making them more transparent, efficient, and resilient. But it's not all smooth sailing. The token economy faces several challenges. For one, the technology is still in its infancy, and there's a lack of best practices and standardized frameworks. Additionally, regulatory uncertainty looms large, with many jurisdictions struggling to keep up with the rapid pace of innovation. And let's not forget about the technical challenges, such as scalability, security, and privacy. Speaking of privacy, the current internet lacks a native identity layer, leading to issues with data control and privacy. Web3 aims to address this with Decentralized Identifiers, or DID, and self-sovereign identity solutions. These allow individuals to have more control over their digital identities and personal data, reducing reliance on centralized institutions. Another exciting development is the rise of purpose-driven tokens. These tokens incentivize behavior that aligns with a collective goal, such as reducing carbon emissions or supporting social causes. They introduce a new form of value creation where economic incentives are aligned with social and environmental objectives. And then we have token-curated registries, or TCR, which are a fascinating concept for decentralized content curation. TCRs use tokens as economic incentives to curate lists, such as best restaurants or top universities. This creates a market mechanism for quality curation, reducing reliance on centralized authorities and promoting transparency. But here's the catch. Designing effective token systems is no easy feat. It requires a deep understanding of crypto economics, game theory, and behavioral economics. That's where token engineering comes in. This emerging field focuses on the rigorous analysis, design, and verification of token systems, ensuring they are robust, secure, and aligned with societal goals. So, what does the future hold for the token economy? While it's hard to predict, one thing is certain. The convergence of blockchain networks, smart contracts, and tokens is set to transform the Internet as we know it. We're moving towards a more decentralized, transparent, and inclusive digital world where individuals have more control over their data and digital identities. But with great power comes great responsibility. As we embrace the possibilities of Web3, we must also address the ethical and social implications. Issues of privacy, security, and power structures need to be carefully considered to ensure that the token economy benefits everyone, not just a select few. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the token economy and the future of Web3. I hope this episode has sparked your curiosity and given you a glimpse into the exciting possibilities that lie ahead. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe and leave a review. And as always, feel free to reach out with your thoughts and questions. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep dreaming of the future. Visit brightlearn.ai for more fascinating videos like this one, and naturalnews.com for full editorial coverage and breaking news on critical stories that keep you informed and aware of what's really going on.